Hi, my name is Sudhir.
Hi, my name is Yash.
Hi, my name is Vidhyalaya from grade 6A.
We are from Marg Vidhyalaya school. Today we are going to explain about vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is used for cleaning dust and cleaning dust. It works by motor. It sucks the dust and it sucks the dust.
Thank you.